All right, happy Friday. Good morning. We're going to talk about the 2.3. Ready? Moving on to the next section. This is going to be pretty easy. All right, it's Pep Rally Friday. This shouldn't take you too long. A little bit of solving involved in this. But here's the problem. This should be review. It's asking you for an x-intercept and a y-intercept given this function. This is actually really easy to do. You have enough space to show your work, no credit, but I am looking for a value either on the x-axis or on the y-axis. Now think about this. If I just pick a random value and I think about what its input and output values are, I move x first, so now I move -1, -2, -3. I move -3. I did not move up or down, so that gives me a y value of 0. Y is 0, keep that in mind. If I find a point on the y-axis, I moved 0 first, and I moved up 1, 2, 3, 4, up 4. So x is 0, y is 0. When x is 0, y is 0. Keep that in mind. I'm going to use 0 to my advantage when I solve. And what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to take this problem and input either x, or excuse me, enter 0 for x or 0 for y. And I'm going to show my work right down here below. I know you can't see it, but on my paper right here, I showed my work here, the first one on the left. Everything else is down here below each graph. There's enough space for you to squeeze it in there. If you don't want to squeeze it in there, do it on a separate sheet of paper, but this is how easy it is. 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 12. Now watch what happens. 3 times 0 is 0. 2y equals 12. I divide both sides by 2 because it's telling me to multiply. Therefore, y equals 6. Half of 12 is 6. So if my x input is 0, my y output is 6. There is my x-intercept. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here. There is my y-intercept. The other side of that is, what if I say 3x plus 2 and I input 0 for y? Notice I'm using 0 for x and 0 for y, and I solve. Well, guess what happens? 2 times 0 is 0, so that decreases. Or disappears. I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and x equals 4. If my input is 4, x is 4, my output is 0. Remember, I gave y a value of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are my x and y intercepts, and I can just go ahead and graph the line. 2 points to terminal line. So again, show your work. You're inputting 0 for x in solving, and you're inputting 0 for y in solving. And you do that for all 6 problems. We've done 1, you have 5 more to do.